here, and you'll be able to see so many ducks and birds. Now, the blue heron's over here. I'm going to try to show you the blue heron. The blue heron is just so beautiful. Maybe we'll get lucky. Okay, there's some ducks. Some little ducks right there. But the blue heron is over here. So we got to try. I want you to see. He is over in there. Do you see him? You see that blue heron? It's right there. You're getting pinned, Kevin. Okay. There. The blue heron, guys, is all the way over there. Do you see? That's the blue heron. The beautiful blue heron.